Bitcoin is finally bouncing back towards the upside. Right now, trying to be breaking above crucial levels of resistance. So we need to be talking about that exactly. This first scenario is right now playing out. Bitcoin is massively outperforming the stock market, so we need to be talking about that exactly, about what the Federal Reserve is going to be doing next, and many more things. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's it short term. And yes, first of all, finally Bitcoin is breaking back towards the upside. Bitcoin is bouncing from off this level of support over here, and this first scenario is right now playing out for Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin has been breaking above this crucial level of resistance, the 57k level, and I've been tweeting and saying many times that whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this level, this 57k level, well then we are going to be pumping massively and we are going to be seeing this bounce towards the upside actually continuing, which is exactly what we are seeing right now. Bitcoin has been breaking above that 57k level and we are seeing this big Bitcoin bounce. And at this current moment, Bitcoin is actually massively outperforming the stock market, which we are seeing right now. As you can be seeing in this chart over here, at the top the Bitcoin chart and at the bottom the stock market chart, well, we can clearly be seeing that Bitcoin is seeing this way bigger bounce back towards the upside than the stock market. This is of course because, in my opinion, I think that Bitcoin saw a little bit of an overcorrection towards the downside, and also at the same time what we did see is that Bitcoin actually massively underperformed the stock market in the last few weeks. Like you can be seeing over here, the stock market just went towards the upside right over here, whilst Bitcoin still moved kind of sideways towards the downside. So of course it is to be expected that right now Bitcoin is about to outperform the stock market once again with a little bit more of a bounce towards the upside. Now with this current Bitcoin bounce, we can be seeing that Bitcoin is clearly running in towards some kind of a level of resistance. This is actually not some kind of a level of resistance. This is going to be a very important level, as you can be seeing from the past. Well, a huge level right over here, a huge bounce right over here, a huge bounce right over here, and we go on and on and on about this level. Right now Bitcoin is trying to be breaking above it, and definitely if Bitcoin can be breaking above this level again, I think we are going to be reaching this downward sloping resistance level, which is going to be coming in approximately at that 68k level. Now, if we are going to be ultimately breaking above this level, well, then definitely we can be having a look into what's new all-time highs getting reached. But right now, that is not going to be the case. We still need to be breaking above this level over here, and then we still need to be breaking above this level over here. Okay, and how I am going to be playing it, because of course our scenario right here got invalidated, that we are going to be seeing a little bit of a deeper correction and then open up a Bitcoin long position. But I'm still going to be actually interested in opening up a long position right now. Of course, this first scenario was playing out, this green scenario, with a bounce right now breaking above that 57k. But still, if we are going to be coming back down, I am still going to be interested in actually opening up a big Bitcoin long position. How I am going to be playing it is having a look into this level over here. All right, if Bitcoin is going to be seeing a little bit of a rejection right over here, come back towards this level of support, I'm definitely going to be interested in opening up that long position. I'm willing to be buying the dip, but that is just in the case that Bitcoin is going to be giving us that opportunity, because there's just going to be a very high likelihood that we are just going to be breaking above back towards the upside. Because if we are just going to be having a look into what's our Bitcoin funding rates, well, these funding rates are still extremely low. People are still actually trying to be shorting this Bitcoin pump towards the upside, which is just actually adding more fuel towards the upside. Of course, all of these shorts are just liquidity on that top side, which inevitably Bitcoin is going to be grabbing. So yes, I do not know if we are still going to be getting this opportunity, but if we are going to be seeing this opportunity, I'm willing to be taking it with both hands. Anyways, because of this bounce back towards the upside in the market, we can actually be seeing that the chances of this 50 basis point rate cut is actually decreasing. Right now, it's going to be more likely that we are going to be seeing this 25 basis point rate cut, which is of course going to be better for the markets. So currently this is being priced in, of course, in the market. But anyways, definitely this is going to be suggesting right now that yes, the Federal Reserve is going to be pivoting still. Nothing has changed from that. So of course, in that short term, this is going to be a little bit more bearish, but in that longer term, it is going to be ultimately extremely bullish. So anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out this first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now be claiming a $500 trade completely for free. Just click on that first link down below, sign up a new account, and there you go. You can be opening up this free position over here, and all of the profits you are going to be making, they are going to be your profits. So it is literally zero downside risk, but still all of the profits are for yourself. So that is absolutely crazy. Make sure to check out that first link down below. Anyways, guys, on that Bitcoin weekly chart, this is looking extremely bullish. Look at this Bitcoin weekly candle. We are currently printing with this huge hammer candle towards the downside. Of course, this huge wick we have seen towards the downside. So yes, this Bitcoin weekly candle is about to close very bullish in just 2 days. Now, of course, still a lot can be happening during the course of this weekend. But as of right now, this Bitcoin weekly candle is looking extremely bullish. We've just shaken out a lot of people, and a lot of short-term holders have actually capitulated at this bottom right over here. So that is going to be a very bullish sign. Of course, we have been having a look in towards these on-chain data in the recent few days. Anyways, yesterday I've been tweeting, do not forget this massive Bitcoin buy signal has just flashed 2 weeks ago. Do not forget about this. Of course, after the Bitcoin halving, we have seen these Bitcoin hash ribbons actually flashing a buy signal, which is going to be ultimately one of the strongest indicators that we are going to be seeing a parabolic run towards the upside. Do not fade this signal over here. Anyways, for the altcoins are also bouncing a lot towards the upside. Having a look in towards Ethereum, we are seeing this big wick towards the downside and just a massive retest of previous level of resistance, right now turning into a support. Definitely, in my opinion, looking very good. But having a look into the altcoins in general, well, altcoins are also massively bouncing towards the upside, seeing a similar wick towards the downside. Now, when the total tree market cap chart is going to be breaking this one towards the upside, I think that is going to be the moment when the real altcoin season and when the real bull market is going to be starting. So keep this in mind. It is still about to start. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.